Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add text in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now there are two places in which you can add text, but pretty much the same process applies. Here, as you can see, I have a video over in my track on the cut page, and if I go into the top, I can just click on titles and select whichever text I want. I'll just select basic text, drag it over to the video, and now I can click on it and I can edit it like so. If I double click it, I don't think I can edit it, but if I go into the edit page, I can click on it and edit the text, which is here. As you can see, I can edit the text, and now the text is overlaid on top of this. Now let me just delete this or just disable the nodes, and now I can drag the text wherever I want. Now you can also do that, but you can also go to the edit page and go into effects and go into titles and do the exact same thing. Just drag it over your video, make sure the length is the same as the video so it doesn't go overboard. Go to the inspector, go to text and edit the text, and that is pretty much how you add text to any video in Davinci Resolve. This also works for images as well. You can add text in a blank screen even if you wanted to, and you can add whichever title you would like. You even have these animated ones, which as you can see are, well, animated. Let me just add this to show you guys what it looks like. If I play it, as you can see, it adds this sort of effect, and that is pretty much all there is to it, to adding text to your videos in Davinci Resolve. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.